Hi, thank you for coming. This is Healthy by Heath. Please click on the subscribe button below and also the notification button if you get a chance. That way you'll get updates as to when we submit more videos and with great recipe ideas. Hey, welcome to Healthy by Heath. So something I started doing during the pandemic is when I was visiting my friends and traveling around the Pacific Northwest, filming cooking videos and travel videos, was I was also doing cleaning videos and organizing videos for them. So I ran across another friend of mine, their shower here. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it for them with some of that foaming scrub stuff, whatever it's called. I'll get that on camera as well. And we'll see how it works.